Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Ellie. So I've already got my chicken cleaned. I'm just gonna squeeze a lime into it. And then I'm gonna be adding these delicious ingredients that make it all the better as I put it into the air fryer. So I've tried this from Chief, I like it a lot. It's the 11 herbs and spices, which is supposed to mimic the taste of KFC chicken. So I add a generous amount of this. Now I'm going to add a little salt, not too much. I'm also adding some oregano, some cinnamon, some parsley also goes in. I'm going to massage it into the chicken, all these spices and herbs, and I leave it to marinate. After it's done marinating, you can add it to the air fryer. But before that, I'm also going to add something else. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and leave a comment as well because I love seeing comments from you.